Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Threads app freezing on your iPhone. Let's get started. A secure internet connection, a weak or unstable connection can make the app slow or freeze. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the network. Next, close and reopen the Threads app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the app completely. Close it. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again. After that, update the Threads app. Open the App Store, search for Threads and tap Update if available. Updates often fixes bugs that cause freezing. Finally, check Threads server status. Sometimes freezing happens due to server issues. If that's the case, waiting a little while is the only solution. And that's it. This step should fix the Threads app freezing on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.